Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video I am providing you most amazing and most attractive designs of crochet articles. So viewer, please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end, because all of these designs are so stunning, so unique and useful. I hope you all love this type of most amazing collection. So viewer, share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive designs of crochet articles. I really hope that they will love these beautiful designs. You know guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and most attractive designs. Must apply these beautiful designs. And thank you so much viewers for watching this video. So if you all love this article and if you want more and more designs or more ideas, like my video, subscribe my channel. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Viewers, when you press the bell icon, you receive the notification of my recently uploading videos. Be connected with me friends. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.